Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today we are going to talk about some gold companies I think have enormous potential in the coming years when they get hopefully into production. It's 3 companies. Bear in mind, none of this is financial advice. These are just companies I currently like. So let's get right into it. Starting with Vista Gold, which is an Australian gold company in Northern Australia, which has 5.2 million ounces of gold in reserve and 10.6 million ounces of gold in resource. It seems to have an initial capex of $425 million, a 30-year mine life, and AISC of $1,449. And the reason why I find this interesting is, first of all, it seems a little bit cheap now. It has a little correction. And the fact that I haven't really noticed people mentioning it that much, so I thought I would mention it. And the fact that it has a freshwater reserve, and it seems to have awesome management. Their CEO, Frederick H. Ernest, has over 35 years of experience in corporate management and mine operations and project turnarounds. So it seems very interesting, this company. And let's go over to the second one. And the second one, which is Orezone Gold, which is a company I've mentioned before, but it seems like they have had a little correction. So let's have a little summary. The company has 4.5 million ounces of gold in measured and indicated. And the fact that they are now expanding their mining operations, where by the short while it seems to be that they are in 2026 going to produce 170,000 ounces of gold. And the fact that they are planning on expanding it even further to about 250,000 in the coming years. And the fact that they have a AISC of $1,400. That seems like a recipe for success in the future, if everything goes according to plan. And now let's go over to the third and final one, Nexgold mining. They have 2 projects. They have one which is called Goliath Gold Complex, which has 2.1 million ounces of gold in measured and indicated. And the Goldboro Gold Project, 2.5 million ounces of gold. And it seems to be that they will be producing not too long in the distant future, it seems, hopefully. And the fact that it also piqued my interest because it seems they have a low AISC on the projects. One of the projects, called Goliath, $1,000 in AISC, or like 100,000 ounces per year in average production. It seems like the capex would be 335 million to start the mine. And the other mine, which is Goldboro, seems to have an AISC of $850. Very interesting. And the fact that both these mines would have over 9-year mine life, and the fact that Frank Giestra has 7% of the company. So this company seems very interesting, and it doesn't seem like it's rallied too much this year, so it seems like a little bit of an opportunity. Bear in mind, all of these companies, in my mind, are like some of the cheaper gold companies on the market with tremendous upside potential. In my opinion, none of this is financial advice. I hope this has been of tremendous value to you. Bear in mind, this is risky. If they get started, it's gonna flourish tremendously, but if, there's a little hiccup, like with Ascot Resources, then things might go another way. I hope this has been tremendously useful. Take care. Peace.